You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KWO37, broadcasting on 162.550 MHz near Los Angeles, California. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Los Angeles, California. Current day, Friday, June 24, 2022. The current time is 7:26 p.m. Pacific Summer Time. This station serves the Los Angeles and Ventura areas. This evening's forecast for the Los Angeles metropolitan area, mostly cloudy, with patches of rain. Fog is reported in El Segundo, expected to hit downtown Los Angeles around 10 p.m. Rain probability, 60%. Temperature, 77 degrees. Tonight, it will most likely rain. Temperatures as low as 67 degrees are expected. For Ventura County, expect cloudy evening. Current temperature is 76 degrees. Low 70s expected. High winds advisory is in effect until tomorrow, 4:31 a.m. Pacific Summer Time. Rain probability, 70%. Tomorrow's forecast for Los Angeles metropolitan area. High 80 degrees are expected. Rain probability, 80%. Light to moderate hail expected. Light, isolated thunderstorms expected. For both Ventura and Los Angeles counties, expect sunny weather on Sunday. High 90s are expected. Heat wave will hit the coast from Sunday to Tuesday, with temperatures as high as 105 degrees expected. Clear skies from Sunday evening to Tuesday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Orange County, California, Los Angeles County, California, Ventura County, California, Chino Hills, California. Effective until 11:57 p.m. tonight. Source: radar indicated. Thunderstorms are forming near Santa Catalina, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. These thunderstorms are not isolated, are set to spread, and could produce quarter-sized hail. Wind gusts were recorded to exceed 40 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Orange County, California, Los Angeles County, California, Ventura County, California, Chino Hills, California until 11:57 p.m. tonight. The current time is 7:58 p.m. Pacific Summer Time. Severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for Orange County, California, Los Angeles County, California, Ventura County, California, Chino Hills, California until 11:57 p.m. tonight. High winds advisory is still in effect for Ventura County until 4:31 a.m. Pacific Summer Time. Weather for metropolitan Los Angeles. Current temperature, 70 degrees. Light rain, cloudy. Heavy rainfall expected at 8:20 p.m. Winds gusts reported exceeding 30 miles per hour, and should intensify with tonight's thunderstorms. Los Angeles is under a severe thunderstorm watch, which means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a severe weather statement for Los Angeles County, California, Chino Hills, California and northwestern Orange County, effective until 10:30 p.m. This message corrects the severe thunderstorm watch issued at 7:26 p.m. The severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect only for Los Angeles County, California, Chino Hills, California, Santa Ana, California, Orange, California and Huntington Beach, California. Other previously impacted areas' watches are canceled. No watch is in effect for Ventura County anymore, but residents of this area should still be on the lookout for possible warnings or statements. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for Los Angeles County, California, Chino Hills, California, Santa Ana, California, Orange, California and Huntington Beach, California. Effective until 10:30 p.m.
Check out tonight's primetime lineup, brought to you by Dave's Killer Bread. Dave's Killer Bread is the country's #1 organic bread for a reason. Always delivering killer taste, killer texture, and killer nutrition. This isn't bread. This is bread amplified.
Bob's won't rest until everyone gets the furniture they love.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Angeles County, California, Chino Hills, California, Santa Ana, California, Orange, California and Huntington Beach, California until 9 p.m. Pacific Summer Time. At 7:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar and trained weather spotters indicated severe thunderstorms, capable of producing golf ball-sized hail, extending from coastal San Pedro, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. These dangerous and considerable storms will be over Los Angeles around 8:25 p.m. Winds gusts have reached 75 miles per hour, and we expect them to reach 80. Locations in the warning include Los Angeles County, California, Chino Hills, California, Santa Ana, California, Orange, California and Huntington Beach, California. Expect considerable tree and power line damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, screen enclosures, carports, and outbuildings. People and animals outdoors will likely be injured. Power outages are very likely. These thunderstorms are expected to affect coastal waters, and flash flooding could happen. For your own safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Take a battery-powered radio to listen to news outlet or any information providers such as NOAA Weather Radio. Do not attempt to outrun these thunderstorms. Flying debris, fog, golf-sized hail and wind gusts will likely render travel impossible. Expect light to moderate damages to roads. Public transport may be affected tomorrow. Do not go outside unless it's an emergency. Follow local news outlets for later statements on these developing thunderstorms. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Los Angeles County, Chino Hills and western Orange County until 9 p.m.
Good evening, it's 8:15 p.m. and you are watching Fox 11 Automatic Weather Forecast for Los Angeles. For Saturday, severe winds are expected due to the current thunderstorm. High 78, thunderstorms and 73 miles per hour winds going northeast. It will be completely overcast this weekend as this thunderstorms continue to progress over Los Angeles County. Saturday, it will be very hot, 88 degrees are expected alongside 82 miles per hour winds. Sunday, it will be completely overcast, with winds exceeding 85 miles per hour. 97 degrees expected. The severe weather is expected to dissipate around Sunday evening, as Monday gets hotter but calmer. We should pass the 100 degrees mark in the afternoon. Winds, thunder and rain are expected to set back, allowing the residents of Los Angeles to go outdoors safely. Finally, on Tuesday it will be clearing. Sunny weather, with isolated clouds, is to set in. High winds will still be a thing, with 35 miles per hour wind. The Storm Prediction Center in Oklahoma has issued Tornado Watch number 407, effective until 11:30 p.m. This watch includes the following areas: Torrance, California; Compton, California; Downey, California; Inglewood, California; and Santa Monica, California. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch in effect for Torrance, California; Compton, California; Downey, California; Inglewood, California; and Santa Monica, California until 11:30 p.m.